may I offer a possibility or possibly two possibilities that are actually programs that can help you, depending on where you are in the evolution of your business. If you're in the startup phase, 6 months up to a year, there's a program available and you actually only need 500 FICO score. If you're at the 2-year mark and you have a 600 FICO score, I would look at a term loan. Now, the first choice that I described is sometimes criticized because it has higher interest rates. But with the banks not lending, and this being a risk-based product, meaning there's no collateral and you only need your bank statements to qualify for it. You're going to need 3 months worth of bank statements, and it has to be from a business bank account. Very important. Business bank account. Very good. So, let's get back to it. The great thing about these programs is that you can have your funds within 24 to 48 hours. So that means if you apply before 12 o'clock, you'll get the funds that day, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After 12 that day, you'll get it the next day, deposited right into your business checking account. Try, if you possibly can, to use these funds, A, to either save your business or to take advantage of an opportunity that doesn't always come around. I have a friend that has a commercial landscaping business. He's taking advantage of these funds to buy snow plow equipment because the winter's coming up. And he just needs some down payment money to get a couple of the pieces. This is the perfect example of using funds like this. Again, or if you just simply need to keep the doors open.
Very excited to share with you that you can get up to $25K today. Transparent terms and industry-leading early pay discounts. Our terms and rates are very easy to understand, unlike many banks. And if you pay off your capital advance within a year, you get a significant discount on your rate. Yes, online immediate approval. It's a very simple, easy process. No hard credit inquiries. Receive funds same day or the next day. If you get in your application and get approved by noon that day, get it that same day. Otherwise, you may get it in the morning or sometime during the next day. You work with a personalized account manager. You can draw more funds as you pay. So if you pay off the first capital advance and you need more funding, we'll help you get that funding. I'll go over a couple bullet points here. How it works. On the left-hand side, these are the items you need to get approved immediately. 5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account, 6 months in business, 450 plus credit score. All industries are included. Middle section. Get funded 2 to 25K with our breezy online easy application. Link online banking, review approval terms, sign agreement online, receive funds. This all happens very quickly. On the right side, pay and draw more. Payment history earns you more. Save with early pay discounts. Receive funding again. Add-on funds available. So what happens if you need more than 25K? We got you covered there too. Just click on this button for large funding application on our website. Brings you to our mainstay, David Allen Capital website for business capital advances. You can receive up to $2 million this week. Simple and fast. Receive a decision within 1 day and capital between $10,000 and $2 million as soon as 1 to 2 business days. So it's very fast approval, very fast capital again. We represent only the top best rated providers. They actually compete to bring you back the very best rates. Use the funds as you choose. It's a non-collateral business capital. And our rates and everything is spelled out, very transparent, easy to understand, unlike many banks. So again, we're very excited to share with you our new initiative, our business funding for the smaller business. Get up to 25K today, instant approvals, and also same day funding if you get your approval in by noon that day. Otherwise, it's the morning or sometime during the next day. Very excited, so please click the description below the video. If you're on a cell phone, it's a little harder to find, but there is a description down there. And then you'll see our website. Click the website link, and then come here to our website, click this button, get up to 25K today. As you can see, the form couldn't be simpler. It's a simple form. Fill this out. Take a photo of a couple items that they're going to request, and then you will be well on your way. If you need help, there you go. Right there's a pop-up chat screen. You can chat with somebody, and they will help you out.